Hello, today I am super excited because I am opening the Inktober 2019 ArtSnacks collection box. This is put together by Jake Parker in collaboration with ArtSnacks, and I am super excited about opening this. So let's just get into it and see what's inside. Okie day. Ooh, what is this? Nope, you need to stay back. Hang on, I'll figure it out in just a second. Okay, so this is a little better. So first we have our little sticker and some nice tissue paper. And how do I open this? Ooh, ooh, ooh. Ooh. We have a note from Jake Parker. Hi, this is voiceover Christina here, and this letter took way too long to read, and so we're just gonna skip it. Cool. That's some nice advice. Ooh. And this is the print that came in the box. So that's cool. I like that. So I'm gonna put this aside because I want to see all the stuff. Ooh. This is the list of all the materials you get. And then you have 31 days, 31 drawings, and then it has all the prompts that Jake Parker's put out. Ooh. So we have Arnhem. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that correctly. I don't know. But Arnhem 100% rag paper. It says it's excellent quality. Excuse me. It didn't actually say quality. Excellent for a variety of techniques, including printmaking, drawing, lettering, and painting. Ooh, interesting, because I do most of those things, just not that. Premium historic mill. Ooh, this is pretty nice actually. It's not quite like, I don't know if I'd use it for printmaking. Maybe for like block printing. That's cool. Ooh, and you can kind of see the laid lines. You definitely can't see it on camera, sorry, but you can see the laid lines in there on the back, and that's like the mesh that you lay your paper pulp into when you're making paper. A little bit visible, smoother on the front, obviously. And that's nice. Ooh, I just got a peek of something I'm excited about. They sent jelly roll. I like this. I have never had a jelly roll, actually. So I'm excited for this. Ooh, I don't know what to open next, but here's the sticker. It's so cute. Okay. Then we have, ooh, I'm glad I didn't buy this. Packaged up in a bag, very nice. It's Speedball Super Black India ink. So that'll be useful. Over on there. Wait, is this waterproof? Are you waterproof? Ah! It is permanent and waterproof. With 100% carbon black pigment. Excellent. I can use watercolors with this. That sounds cool. And this is staring me in the face, but I want to open the little things before I open the big box. That's a cool sound. Do, 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 do. Ooh! Ooh! What is this? What is this? Ooh. I have one of these. This is so nice. I already have basically this thing from Speedball, this nib, but this is very pretty. I like the marbled effect a lot. I love marbling. I'll do a video sometime about marbling because it's fun. And then we have a Copic drawing pen. Oh! It has a nib! Oh, I'm so excited. This is a wonderful day. That's so cool. I'm gonna try it now, but I'm gonna wait. Oh, and there's a sketchbook? What? What? Video editing Christina is back. I took a break from excitement and also to make sure my camera was still recording. And we're back. King Art 24 dual tip brush pens. Brush and fine. No, no, no. Yes. No. Don't want the box. King Art. I don't think I've ever heard of King Art before. Dual tip brush pens, brush and fine. How do I open this? Oh, should just, ha! Woo! I have colors! I have 2 layers of colors. It was not easy to get out though. Come on, come on, come on. Ooh, look at that. I'm super excited. Guys, I'm so happy I bought this. This is super awesome. And I don't know how to put it away, so it's just gonna go off to the side now. And I'll close it later. Okay, and here's the little art snack. It's an Airheads cherry. That's cool. And then Plumchester limited edition square sketchbook. Ooh, and it's dusty in there. No, that's the outside of the box. Or outside of the packaging, excuse me. Limited edition square sketchbook, 48 blank pages, 160 GSM paper, and it's 7.87 inches by 7.87 inches, which is 20 by 20 centimeters. You can go to plumchester.com to see other stuff. I think this is yellow at the moment because it's like nice and bright, but that's 100% gonna get kind of icky soon. Maybe this will be enough. And it is! Success. It didn't mark the sketchbook. Yeah. Okay. Plumchester. Ooh, this paper is even nice. This like label. That's the word. Oh, and it's not glued in. I love that. I hate it when like you have something, actually any sort of label or anything, if it's stuck. Oh, it says Inktober! That's so cool! Whoa. Wait, what was I saying? Oh, I hate it when there's something like a sticky label or a sticker on something that you're gonna like use, like a sketchbook, because then it's always sticky. I can never get it off fully. Okay. Ooh! This is so exciting! I'm so excited! Ooh, and you even get this, look at this, look at this. A bookmark! That's so cool! Anyway, so that's the box. And now I'm gonna read through the little description of what's in the box. Your challenge, create a drawing every day for 31 days using only the supplies in your ArtSnacks Inktober collection. Use the daily prompts on the calendar for inspiration. I'm probably going to use other stuff too, but these are cool. These are going to be prominent in my Inktober drawings. So the first thing listed is limited edition Inktober Plumchester Square Sketchbook. The much loved Plumchester Square Sketchbook. Got an Inktober makeover. Well, I've never heard of Plumchester before, so I'm excited to try it. Sakura classic white jelly roll pens. Set of 3. Oh! They're different nib sizes. That makes sense. That's why those numbers are there. I like that they gave me different sizes. I really appreciate that. I'm going to test all the materials on this and the Arnhem, and I'll go ahead and test my Copic drawing pen first. So I'm gonna skip the first page, as you do, and just gonna, ooh, it's coming out already. Okay, so I'm gonna write Copic, and this is gonna freak you guys out, but when I write, I always turn my paper. Sorry. Is this zoomed in enough? No. The answer is no, it is not. Okay, let's do a little more. And does it right in different angles? Nope, just the So I'm pretty pleased with how this works. Although, it's not super different than how normal Copic multiliner work. It's definitely sturdier. And I do like that, because my Copic pens are kind of wearing down. So this is, ooh! I like that. Editing Christina is here again, and I realized most of this is out of frame and goes on forever, and I'm just talking about these markers without you being able to see anything of what I'm doing after a certain point. So some structural things about these markers is the brush end of the marker seems like it will wear rather quickly if you are heavy-handed like I tend to be with markers, and it's not as stiff as Copics are if you want something to reference it with. And this also isn't marker paper, neither this nor the Arnhem, so if you oversaturate the paper and then you continue to work that area over and over again, the paper will pill up and it will start to basically disintegrate in a profusion of vibrant colors. But I would like to talk about the colors, and I actually recorded the video along with the audio for this, so let's go back to that. Here are all my swatches of the King Art dual tip brush pen brush and fine set, and I'm pretty happy with the colors overall. I do wish there were 2 more browns just because I love using brown, and I think having like a raw sienna color would be really helpful, as well as a burnt sienna, because these are more like burnt and raw umber, like burnt and raw umber. But for a marker set, this is really good. Also, I used the Sakura, what are these even called? Sakura Jelly Roll pens on top of it, and I really like the first 2, the 2 thicker ones, the 10 and the 8, but I was not really impressed with the fine. It's either more of a dud or it just doesn't come out as well. But overall I'm happy with it. As you notice, my table has changed colors. Woo! I put down a piece of drawing paper because my actual table is black and I'd like to see if I get any ink on it, which will be much easier if the background's white. So, table's now white. I'm gonna try and open this and get going. Am I supposed to shake it? I'm gonna say that's good. Oh, and it has a spiffy top. Excuse me, Arnhem. Ooh. I like that sound. Ooh, that's black. No! No! I'm glad I didn't paint my nails. This is basically the same thing I already have. Ooh, except it's sturdier. I like that. Ooh. I like that sound, but it probably doesn't sound good on camera. Those are my little marks that I made. So cute! I'm gonna put this aside. I'm also gonna check the sky. Ooh, I like it on this paper a lot. Surprisingly, I actually like this better than on the Arnhem. Who'd have thunk? Okay, let's try the actual right side of the paper. I like this stuff so much. This is so cool. This nib really holds a lot of ink. I'm very, very impressed. What I'm going to do first is I'm going to lay out a clear wash of water. Okay, now this stuff is waterproof, so once it's dry we shouldn't be able to manipulate it at all. But while it's still wet, I'm gonna play around with it. Video editing Christina here for the last time. I really like the washes and the line work I'm able to get with the Speedball ink. I think that is going to be my most frequently used supplies from this box. I think in the end I'm going to go and test the Arnhem and see what I can do printmaking wise with it, and a little less for this. I really did enjoy it. You can see In my next video up, I will have a video of me doing a drawing with one of my preparation Inktober prompts and what I'm doing with that. If you're interested in seeing my future videos and what I come up with for Inktober, please go ahead and subscribe below, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye. I want to call it Arnheim, but it's Arnhem. So I think I'm gonna... Are we still recording? Yes, we are! Excellent. This is 5, right? Nope. Wrong cap. But it's so pretty. I don't want to test it with this. Get the feeling of a traditional fountain pen without the inky mess. Thank you, I will.